All right, so I usually read the lesson before. I usually always read the lesson before, and now I have like highlight and already like notes in here from previous years because this is our second year doing this. But I for sure like if I see something, I check it off. Like I make sure like the wiggle cards today were in here, so I made sure I grabbed those and had them already in my book beforehand. And I really just make sure I have all the components that are in it. So if there's an activity page, I know which one we're on, what it looks like. Sometimes I print them off, and then, but most of the time we are using our activity books or skills booklets. But that is mainly what I do. And there's a lesson at a glance, and I do use it somewhat, but I really like to read through the lesson just to 100% make sure that I've got everything that's in it. I think that's
Are there any special accommodations that you had to have for certain students, or any planning that went into that process?
Yes. So I have my students in groups. I know it says to do a partner, but a lot of times I put them in groups, and the group that's with me on the carpet, that's my lower group. So I know that they're going to have to do something different than the rest of the group is going to do. So a lot of times I help read their story, or they're finding nouns on a page when I go around and make sure all the other groups are on task, because those groups are mixed. So they have like on level and above level in those groups. So I will do that, and then the back half of this, which we'll do after RTI time, will come in, and they have the pausing point pages, and that kind of goes with their level too. So my higher group will be filling in sentences, and then my on level will be able to do this independently. They should, by like you match the long vowel words with the picture, and then I will help the lower group. They'll be with me. I'll pull them back. Usually I pull them back to my back table, and we'll do that together. So yeah, I just kind of think, and sometimes I kind of plan in my head. I don't necessarily write it down, but I'll think which students are going to answer what questions, and I usually know that when we're going through it, and because I don't want anyone to feel like they don't know anything. So I kind of think about that too as I do it.
That sounds great. Thank you.